So one of the most common things that we get asked about when we go into people's homes during the fall and winter seasons is humidification. During the spring, you get a lot of questions about dehumidification, which is removing humidity, but obviously in the winter, you want to add humidity. And the big reason why is by adding humidification into the home, you can, one, help keep wood products, wood floors, trim, cabinets, all that stuff from drying out, which will help with longevity, but also by keeping the home with more humidity in there, it'll help the house feel more comfortable. It can help prevent you from getting sick, especially when you're spending a lot of times indoors.